The Acclaimer Projector is a video device capable of playing the gospel films in any of your preferred languages. And what are the gospel films? The Gospel of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. For a typical Acclaimer projector, it comes with the projector kit and then the projector screen. This projector screen is easily movable. You can just unwrap it and then hang it anywhere you like, so, and then you can project on it. So it is easy to use. All you need to just do is unwrap it and hang it in a suitable location. Now when you open the projector kit, you find the Acclaimer, which is the projector, and then you find your manual. Please ensure to read the manual, although this tutorial will explain some of the basics, but it is important. This is the charger, so you can easily charge it, and when you want to charge it, you connect it to this port here. You can see just beneath it, it is written DC. So that is where you connect your charger to, and then you connect this to a power source. Okay, it also comes with a remote control. So as we go in the tutorial, we are still going to explain how to operate it, but basically it comes with a remote control. Okay, thank you. Now let us look at the basic component of the Acclaimer projector. The very first thing to take note of is this switch. You need to slide it to the on before you can use the Acclaimer projector. Once it is turned off, you can't use it even if you turn on the power button. So the very first thing you need to do is to switch it on using this slide switch. Now another thing to look at is this power button. After switching this on, then you use this power button to turn it on. However, we're not going into that now. Another important thing to take note of is this focus adjustment button. So you can easily use this to change the focus, which we are going to demonstrate in the next tutorial. This is the SD card slot. You can easily insert the SD card and remove it. However, please note that the only SD card that can work on it are those you are given. So please don't try to use any other SD card on it. We also have the power outlet here where you can connect the charger. As you can see here, we have the touchpad, we have the volume, we have the menu, home page, and all. The thing now is to display the Acclaimer projector. The first thing to do is to check this switch, it is on. Okay, now let's turn it on using this power button here. You press it, and after pressing it, you just wait for a few minutes. Now you can see this green indicator which shows that it has been switched on. Okay, now the projector is coming on, so let's just wait for a few minutes. Okay, the projector is on. Now this is where the focus adjustment comes. Don't forget the focus adjustment button which I showed you earlier. So now we adjust it till we get a good focus. We adjust it till we get a good focus. First, this is the touchpad like we showed. So the touchpad can easily move. You can see the touchpad at work. You can easily use it to move. This is for it to move on, to move anywhere. You see, this is photos. We don't have a photo in the Acclaimer projector, so you don't need to bother about that. The music, so our main focus here is the video. So when you click on the video, it opens up the SD card. So here is where you need to focus on SD card. When you click on the SD card, it opens up the gospel films. You can say Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. So when you open it up, this is Matthew. It opens up Matthew 1. If you go back, do the same for Mark. It also. So if, for example, you decide to play Mark 1. So you can move it forward. So this touchpad is easy for navigation. Now I can use this to increase the volume. So when I slide it up, the volume will increase. When I slide it down, you notice that there is a decrease in the volume. When I slide it up, the volume increases, and you notice So I can decide to pause it here and then go back to the home page by clicking on this home icon here. So by clicking on it, now going back to the home page. Now this is the remote control, like I said. So if you prefer not to use the touchpad, you can use the remote. These are the icons you can see. So I can use this for direction if I want to move too far, say if I want to move around. So when I get to video, press the OK button. It opens up the video, goes back. So I can easily exit it by pressing this, or which represents return. When I press it, it returns back. So I can use this to move it. So I can use this to select, like I said earlier. So I click on it, okay, and move. The direction moves it. The direction moves it. This is it. Matthew 1. It's play. To play. So this is to return it back. If I want to play and then increase the volume, this is the volume button. You can see I can reduce it or increase it, or I can even mute it. So if I want to return home, this is to pause it. The OK button is to pause it, and if I want to return home, I need to press this home icon, and that is it. So basically that is how to operate your Acclaimer projector using the touchpad and the remote control. Thank you. God bless you.
Don't forget to click on subscribe and the notifications button to stay informed.